In any activity related to climate, companies should be required to file audited climate political footprint statements. This is similar to how they're required to report their financial standing and the liabilities they face to their shareholders. An audited corporate political footprint statement would look at lobbying, campaign contributions, dark money expenditures, and trade associations. We need this climate reporting to be more rigorous and more consistent so that shareholders know what their exposure to risk is and what the company they're investing in is doing to head off that risk. Too many corporations have been two-faced for too long. If we want to address the climate threat while we still have time, we need corporate America to switch on for climate legislation and stop funding the trade associations that lobby against good climate bills. I'm Senator Whitehouse, and this is my Big Little Talk.